In this video, we're going to take a look at the judging session that you will take part in as part of your time at the regional tournament. There has been created a flowchart to help you get to know this session before attending it, and that is hosted on the FIRST website. Let's take a look at it now. So here you can see the judging session flowchart. You can see that it starts off with a 2-minute welcome, a chance for you to get comfortable, set up your presentation, and have a chat amongst yourselves to iron out any last-minute details. Then you'll have a 5-minute session to present your innovation project. Remember, you'll need to cover the research that you carried out, the initial solutions that you came up with, as well as the feedback that you gathered from your peers and how you then used that to influence your final decision. There will then be a 5-minute session where the judges, and there will be 3 of them, are able to ask you any questions that they have about your innovation project. After that, you'll get another 5 minutes to explain your robot design. Not only the core model, but also any attachments that you may have created in order to complete specific missions. Again, as before, the judges will then have 5 minutes to ask any questions that they may have around your robot design and clarify any of the answers that you give. And finally, you will have 3 minutes to reflect on how you expressed the first core values during your time in the first LEGO League. This concludes the judging session. However, you will receive 5 minutes of feedback from the judges detailing what impressed them and any areas that they feel that you could innovate on for future leagues. You will then leave the judging area and the judges will spend up to 10 minutes assessing your performance against the rubrics. Let's take a look at what they look like. Here we have the core values rubric, showing the areas that you will be assessed against: discovery, innovation, impact, inclusion, teamwork, and fun. And there are 4 levels that you can score for each. Please bear in mind that to score a 4, you have to present the judge with clear evidence as to why you deserve a 4, and that has to be recorded. There is also a rubric for your innovation project, covering areas such as identify, where you researched your project; design, your initial design process, how you came up with your original ideas; create, how you chose one or a couple of your prototype solutions in order to develop; iterate, how you then collected feedback from your peers on your final solutions; and communicate, how you communicated everything that you had covered in your innovation project to the judges at your judging session. And finally, we have the robot design rubric, covering the same areas as your innovation project, but this time talking about your robot design for the robot game.